Albert Fitch Bellows was born November 20, 1829, died November 24, 1883, was an American landscape painter of the Hudson River School. He first studied architecture and, in 1849, became the partner of Boston architect John D. Towle Bellows. However, Bellows quickly turned to painting. From 1850 to 1856 he taught at the New England School of Design in Boston. He resigned his post to travel and study abroad, and spent time in Paris and at the Royal Academy at Antwerp as well as in England. His landscape work of the 1860s is fully in the late Hudson River School tradition. Though Bellows depicted people more prominently in his landscapes than most other artists, he excelled at figurative scenes. He exhibited his first work at the National Academy of Design in 1857, becoming a full member in 1861.